Let's make some Parmesan garlic chicken in the air fryer. Now to start off, you're going to use some chicken thighs, some chicken breast, or some chicken tenders. And you're going to either slice them thinly or you can cut them into 2 to 3 inch pieces. For seasonings, you're going to need some smoked paprika or regular paprika, some garlic powder, onion powder, salt, a little bit of pepper, some lemon pepper, and some lawrys seasoning salt. You're going to take a couple of tablespoons of olive oil and that seasoning, and you're going to go ahead and toss it with that chicken. You want to make sure each piece is evenly coated. Next, you're going to add your chicken to your skewers. Now, if you're using wooden skewers, you want to go ahead and let them soak for about 30 minutes in some water before you use them so they don't burn in the air fryer. Now here on my thinly sliced chicken, I used 2 skewers, and then here on my 2 to 3 inch size pieces, I used 1 skewer. It's totally up to you. You do want to make sure you pack the meat on there nice and tight so it can stay juicy in the air fryer. Next, we're going to go ahead and pop that in the air fryer at 400 degrees for about 5 minutes. Now while our chicken is cooking, we're going to make our butter. You want to take some room temp butter. You're going to add in some minced garlic, some red pepper flakes, a little bit of hot sauce, which is optional. You're going to add in some lemon zest, some grated Parmesan cheese, and some minced fresh parsley, and mix that well. Now after 5 minutes in the air fryer, you're going to remove your chicken, you're going to flip it, and you're going to baste it with that butter. Now we're going to repeat this process for about 3 times. You want your chicken to stay in the air fryer for about 12 to 15 minutes. If you need to use a thermometer to make sure it's done, do that. But about 12 to 15 minutes is the cooking time. You're just going to flip it and baste it and flip it and baste it. This chicken is so flavorful, so juicy, so tender, so delicious. You gotta give it a try. Yum.